सो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून एंड गुड इवनिंग। सो आपका फ्रेंड एंड गाइड कुंवर प्रताप सिंह लेके आया एक अनदर गुड वीडियो ऑफ अ गुड कॉलेज रिव्यू which is based out of which is a KCT or the Comet K college. So this college is called St. Joseph Engineering College and ये located है Mangalore में. So within Mangalore region, this is one of the top five engineering colleges, and so you can take admission to this college. I'll go into placement and other details soon. So let's start. It has a very good, campus. So it is a 40 acres beautiful campus, and 2,400 students are there already on the campus, and it has all the resources, in terms of hostels, 480 boys and 352 girls have this full capacity, and more than 1,000 plus students have been placed last year into different companies. So almost 75 plus companies have visited this college in last year. This looks very good college. So let's see. Apart from that, it has a very good focus on your studies, your technology labs and others. So you can see the robotics programs it runs as a part of this thing. Now coming on to the regular fee, programs which are run here. So you have a CSE, come electronics, electrical, mechanical on all the branches. Same programs, same branches have the programs of masters and PhD. Now coming to cutoff, which is through KCT exam, St. Joseph. So 10,000, this is the first round cutoff. 10,500 you get a computer science, 15,000 CSE, and so on. But this cutoff will go further down. So in the last round you will get around say 15 to 20,000 range you get computer science, and 25,000 you get ECE. So now coming to fee structure. So KCET fee structure is around 88,000 per month. Same college you can get through Comet K, and where the fee structure is around 1.7 lakhs per annum. And if you are going through management quota, which is 3 lakhs, close to 2.5 to 3 lakhs per year. Now the most important thing why you are seeing this video is the placement, and this has come quite well. It is a very old college, so if you see the placements are 7 to 9 lakhs in many of the companies, which is TCS or VMware. So there are a good number of companies which come there for placement, and you see quite good placement here. I'll continue with the placement, and the highest placement was with Rochelle and the Adobe 25, and Cohesity 24 lakhs, and so on. So you see the premium companies also visited. VMware 10 lakhs, Lam 12 lakhs. So you see many of the students are getting placed into these good companies. Now coming to the department wise placement, as usual, in all the colleges, CS and EC have a very good possibility and the placement. So especially computer science, you see 189 students getting placed in the last batch, and 105 of them in electronics and communication. Here you don't have ISC branch, which is information science, but you have a computer science and electronics and communication. So those two branches placements are good. Electrical and electronics also recent 43 students, and mechanical 57. Rest of the placements are lesser. And now it is coming to see the total number of offers year on year. So you see it is constantly increasing. So now it is 420 offers in 1920 compared to 380 and 360 in the previous year. So the total picture you get in mind is it is a quite good placement and quite number of good companies visiting this campus. Same thing which I said, these are the top packages, from the top, IT and services company. And if you see the highest level, this has now increased to 43 lakhs, and average package is close to 5 lakhs. So few students also get, at the lower end of the branches, which is civil or mechanical, they get 2 lakhs is the minimum package in that range. Now, why this is such a good placement this college has, is one of the reason is in a good industry connect they had. So they do a lot of they do have a MOU, memorandum of understanding, with lot of good colleges and good companies, sorry, and they have a labs equipped with those capable technical capabilities, and students get trained very well here. Now coming to the other part, I say 40 plus acre campus, and you should have a good sports facility and all, right? And that is what it is. There is a 400-meter athletic track. There's a football and cricket fields, good volleyball courts, and many other sports activity which happens and which provides opportunity for the students to participate in the national as well as the local state level sports. So this is the view of the college, and you see It's a quite green campus, and you have got good placements. You have a good legacy of older thing. So please do get this college through KCET and COMET-K. And if you have any other further query related with any particular branch cutoff and final round, please let me know. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Take care.